And today, I'm obviously doing something a little different than what Michael and I normally do. Since he's currently not here, he's working through the day, and we live in San Diego and purchased our 1971 home on a half acre back in 2017. Our channel and blog, Curious Lee's, showcases my husband and I's love for travel, eats, sips, and California living. I am super excited to start something I've never done before, especially because I have a little more time on my hands lately, and so I want to bring you guys along on this journey. I am participating in the One Room Challenge this fall. It's a 6-week challenge that is in partnership with Better Homes and Gardens. So how you participate is you pick one of the rooms in your home. Everyone gets together. It's not necessarily a race or anything like that. And we post every week to help inspire each other to continue to actually finish the project. And so when I kind of heard about this and I came across this, I was like, oh, this is perfect for me. Because for me, I tend to have squirrel syndrome. You know, I get very distracted by a lot of things.
He is a good and smart master, and he made me this collar so that I may talk. Squirrel!
And when you purchase a fixer-upper, there are a lot of things that are catching your eye, and you want to just start working on them and get going on it. And then I kind of do that in some situations, and then I get distracted by something else, and so then I'm on to the next thing. And I'm the type of person where I'm like juggling many things all at the same time. Not necessarily a good thing. Luckily, Michael's on the opposite end of that spectrum, but it is what it is. I'm not going to change now. It's just who I am. So this is the perfect opportunity for me to be able to come in and go, okay, I have 6 weeks and I need to stay focused on one room and one room only and actually get it accomplished a week or two before Thanksgiving. I decided to choose our master bedroom, which I'm super excited about because there's nothing inappropriate in how it's in its current state right now. When we first purchased this home, the master bedroom was totally not functional. You walked in and it had thick shag carpet all across the floor, which, by the way, is the only room in this home that had carpet. I don't know. That's definitely not our style nor functional for us. And so beyond that, the entry doorway was very difficult to maneuver through. The door originally opened to the right. Now, if you're in the bedroom and you would like to go into the ensuite bathroom, you would have to then close that door because it would block the opening to the bathroom. It was the silliest thing. And then there was a oddly shaped closet, and there were no hanging rods or shelving or anything like that, except for a full wall of shelves for shoes. It's lovely, except for in order to get to those shelves, you had to walk through a cutout door opening because there was still a wall in front of it. And then there was maybe only 10 to 12 inches max in between the wall and the shelves. And so in order to get back into the space, you had to shimmy your way across to then be able to reach over and grab something and then shimmy your way back out through that small door opening. Not functional at all. So we went to work as quick as we could. We got one of our friends to come in and demo it all. And first off, shag carpet going. I was actually able to find the hardwood that is used throughout our house, and I ordered a ton of that to put that in downstairs instead of that carpet. We removed the walls of the closet, and since we had such a big space, I decided let's bump out the closet and actually make it usable. And moving the door slightly more towards the middle and making the closet very his side and her side, as well as removing the wall that was in front of the shelving. I'm not gonna be showcasing the closet in this one room challenge, and I'm just mainly focusing on the master bedroom itself. The ensuite and the closet, I'll definitely get to those at some point, but again, Chloe's gotta stay focused. So now, the downstairs is all hardwood floor, just like the rest of the house. We did paint it a different color than what it originally was. However, I'm not in love with the walls and the texturing, so those are gonna change. And currently, today, this is what our room looks like. Yes, that is our bed on the floor, and this is current day. If you recall, I did say we purchased it in 2017. It is 3 years later, and our bed is on the floor. Oh my gosh, so inappropriate. That is why I chose the master bedroom for this one room challenge to be the first I tackle. Like, you guys, we can't be sleeping on the floor. And we have been. It's been fine. But we need an upgrade for sure. For the style and vision of our master bedroom, I really wanted to be transported back in time to the weekend when we got married. We got married in Tuscany, Italy, and it was one of the best experiences of my life. I loved that villa and everything about it. It was just so gorgeous. It was very natural and easygoing and relaxing and romantic, but just also simple. And I really want to bring that into our space. So as you can see on my mood board, I wanted to incorporate a lot of masculine pieces. It's not just my space, it's Michael's as well, and I don't want it to be too girly by any way, shape, or form. So I'm looking to do a lot of metals, brass, iron, with a lot of wood pieces, as well as stone or terracotta. And then the textiles will be very natural, so like linen and things like that. If you want to read about my one room challenge experience, I will be posting along the way on our blog, CuriousLees.com. There's also a link in the description below. I gotta say, I'm pretty excited, and I hope you guys will be too. Fingers crossed I can make it work and make it happen. But yeah, so next week I'm going to be talking about the plan and measuring and structuring like the whole concept and where I want things and what I want to put into the actual space. So stick with me, and over the next 6 weeks, you'll be able to see this transformation of our master bedroom from floor to hopefully a door. Thank you so much for watching, and till next time, bye.